I'm going to Hyderabad. I think this would be the first time that I'm going south of the country and actually recording it. Not the first time that I'm going to the south. It's just the first time I'm recording it and making a proper vlog of it. Hyderabad has always been a pretty special place in my family's life. It is said that my granddad, Dada's ancestors came from Persia, Iraq probably, and made their way to Hyderabad. That's the first place they came to, and then scattered all over the country from there. And even my granddad still has some ties to Hyderabad, and so we have inculcated Hyderabadi food into our food, like halim and everything. These are things that sometimes we make at home. So I'm really excited to go there. It's been a very, very long time since I've been there. I was 6 the last time I was there. So I'm very excited. I have had the food because people keep bringing it whenever they go. And we love spicy, meaty food. What could go wrong? So I'm excited for the food. I'm excited for the stay. So I'm bringing you along. And I'm bringing this book with me, which I promise you, I read more intellectual things as well, but that's besides the point. I particularly ordered this book because the last season of Bridgerton just didn't cut it for me. In fact, I just watched one episode. The only season that I've watched of Bridgerton is the second season, and I loved it. And I loved it so much that I tried giving the third season a chance, and the first season also, like, I watched 2 episodes, I think. But since they were no good, this is my guilty pleasure, and I'm really enjoying reading it. See you in Hyderabad. I'm in Hyderabad and I'm headed towards the old city where the hotel is. Overall, a great experience till now because the roads are amazing and blah blah blah, but Indigo kind of screwed up and I had to wait for my baggage for an hour, and there was no accountability, and they were mad that we were asking them questions when we were waiting for an hour without being informed that our baggage was stuck at some gate. But anyway, trying to look onto the brighter side, and I am in Hyderabad. I will be eating soon. Just going to feel the place now. I'm off to Shahdab, which is one of these Hyderabadi biryani places that I've heard so much about. So I'm looking forward to it. It's close to the Charminar area. Hopefully I see that as well, but priority number 1 is Shahdab. Let's go eat. बट बस रमज़ान के वक्त बनता है ना.
और राइट साइड पे प्रिंसेस असरा हॉस्पिटल है, ओएसी ग्रुप चला रहे हैं. Hyderabad Pearl City.
हाँ?
Pearls?
We walked around in the old city and I did go to Shahdab, and I must say the biryani was unbelievable. The mutton was so good. At first we had tala gosht, which was amazing, and very spicy in a different way. But when I had the tala gosht with the biryani and the biryani mutton also and the dahi on top of it, it was just so satisfying and spicy but satisfying. And then we had the Irani chai from Shadab and we had Zafrani chai from Pista House. Irani chai is better. Definitely Irani chai is better. Zafrani chai tasted like there was milk made in it, which was really sweet. It's okay, but Irani chai was very good. And now we've also got double ka meetha from Zafran. Double ka meetha is also, क्या बोलते हैं उसे? क्या बोलते हैं? अभी तो बोल रहे थे इतना. Shahi tukda. So in the north, we usually call it shahi tukda, and I really love it. But I've only ever had it made at home, or my dadis made it. So I'm going to go try it and see how it is. We just finished having lunch at Antera. Antera means An for Andhra, Te for Telangana, and Ra for Rayalaseema cuisine. So it was a mix of all of it. And what was that khichdi type thing that we had called?
Avakaya Pappu Anam Charam. Charu.
Avakaya Pappu Anam.
Charu Anam.
Avakaya Pappu Charu Anam, which was very, very good. And there was also keema biryani that we had, but it was too spicy. And then the last dish we had, which looked like a caramel custard, it's called caramel junnu. And why did we not want to have a lot of that?
It is actually a special milk that is being milked right after the birth of a calf. So it's the first milk that the cow gives after the birth of his baby. So
It's made from that.
It's made from that. So
We felt
it's called junnu.
We felt guilty eating it.
Which we felt very guilty having it because I think the calf deserves it more than us.
So it was very hard to eat it. It was good. And it's a very special thing in Hyderabad, but it was a bit difficult to eat. Yeah. Today I ventured out into the new city. We went to Jubilee Hills and we had food at a restaurant called Antera. I think I spoke about this. Anyway, I saw my Mossie's house who lives here. And of course, I've always heard Hyderabad's amazing, Hyderabad's amazing, Hyderabad's amazing. And it is actually amazing because the roads are quite nice. Like there were 5-6 lanes one way. It was amazing and people were nice. There was no discomfort that I felt ever, as not being. It was really nice. I must say it is one of the better cities. And the weather, no one talks about the weather because it's really, I thought it would be much hotter, but it's really not. Even when there's sun, it's somehow very comfortable. It's dry, it's not humid. It was raining somehow softly and it made the weather very, 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 very pleasant. And like I'm sleeping without AC now, so you can imagine. And it's July. Yeah, quite impressed with Hyderabad. Hyderabad. I think I've been saying it wrong. Hyderabad. So I'm back in Bombay. I landed yesterday at around 3 and then I had to go for a meeting and then I was tired and I had to unpack and blah blah blah. So I'm filming an outro right now. The last thing I ate in Hyderabad was that pan that you just saw. It's very different from a North Indian pan because it's quite dry, but it's really like the textures are different and it's not too sweet. Although I did ask them not to make it too sweet for me. And it was drier and there were different types of textures. I really enjoyed it. I'm so glad we got to have a pan before we left. Since we were staying at a really good hotel, I didn't get to do a lot of stuff outside of the hotel. I still got a taste of Hyderabad. I still got a feel of Hyderabad and I will be returning. I've also filmed a vlog about Falaknuma and how great a hotel it is because it is one of the best that I've ever stayed at. And look forward to that and I will see you next time.